check for exponential equations.
For the power?
If we can do the same thing.
Yeah.
And we do the same things. Now you don't have to, but that's something I'd recommend you doing. You can solve any exponential equation by using logs, right? But you can't solve any exponential equation using same base. But logs work for everything, even for the easy ones or the hard ones. But this one definitely, there's no way I can turn 6 and 14.5 into the same base, so I have to use logs. So what I do is I apply logs to both sides of the equation. There are different ways to say that, apply logs or take logs of both sides. You'll see both of those expressions used. Now notice I just put the word log and not log down, but every log has a base. If you don't see a base, what base am I using?
10.
Base 10. And the reason I logged both sides with base 10 is because I can use my calculator. I know I'm going to need my calculator. So I want to use a base in my calculator. I only have base 10 and base E. I could have lonned both sides too, right? Doesn't matter. That allows me, once I take logs of both sides, it allows me to do something really interesting with the exponent, which is where the problem is. The exponent comes down and becomes a coefficient, right? So this is one of the easy ones, right? If you just have one x in the equation, it's a very straightforward one. We could do it a very simple way, right? Like John, you were saying, like we could just divide both sides by log 6, right? So I can have x minus 2, right? Because this is being multiplied, equals log of 14.5 divided by log of 6. And then only one last thing to isolate the x. So I have log of 14.5 divided by log of 6 plus 2. Then I pick my calculator up, which I left in the other room. So I'm going to borrow D. Can I borrow your calculator?
Yes.
Okay, and D's calculator's like mine, and it's got those brackets that open up, so I have to remember to close them. So log of 14.5, close the bracket, divided by log of 6, close the bracket. Then I'm going to hit the equal sign and then add 2. So use I think the back of your book says 2 decimal places, so 3.49. Okay, here D. So that was a tougher one. I don't want to solve H yet because people haven't tried it yet, right? They haven't had a chance. I would say with H and I, I'm going to give you a clue though. For H and I, if you're looking down here, look for common factors. Okay? Look for common factors. I see something in common with these two, I think. See if you can do something with common factors. Okay? I'll give you a bit more time to work.